Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is question answers of English, not maths. Sorry. What honeysuckle? We go to dog found himself a new master. Okay, see this. Why did the dog feel to need for a master? Once the dog was not pleased with the way of his life, wandering about alone. He felt to become a servant of a powerful one so that he would get protection from others who afraid him. Who did the first choose as his master and why did he leave the master? The dog chose first a big, strong, and fire wolf as his master. Once the dog saw that wolf was afraid that the bear would eat them up. Since the dog wanted to serve only the strongest, he left the wolf and asked the bear, who was stronger than the wolf, to become his master. Who did he choose next? He chose next the bear as his master. He found him more frightened than wolf. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful than stronger than lion in the forest, and so no one dared to touch the dog off or offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. Who did he finally choose his master and why? He finally chose man as his master because one day he realized that lion was afraid of man, as he wanted to serve someone who was most powerful and stronger than anyone on earth. He chose as his master. He chose the man as his master. Okay, please like and share, subscribe. Okay friends, bye.